Ever been stuck with a dead car battery miles from help? Today we're breaking down the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, the jump starter everyone talks about, and whether it really saves your butt when your engine dies. This tiny powerhouse promises 1,000 amps of jump starting muscle for most cars, SUVs, bikes, and even boats, all in a rugged, lightweight package you can slip into your glove box. Before we continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, just exposing it so you don't get misled. Now, let's dive in. The GB40 is more than just a jump starter. It's an ultra-safe 12-volt, 1,000-amp lithium unit that can revive gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel up to 3.0 liters in seconds, and doubles as a power bank with USB charging and a 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, useful when you're stranded at night. What makes it user-friendly is the safety tech, spark-proof clamps, reverse polarity protection, and a smart battery management system that guards against shorts and overcurrent, meaning you can use it even if you've never jump-started a car before. But it's not perfect. The short jumper cables can make placement awkward in some engine bays, and while it should maintain a charge for months, some users report drop-offs if left uncharged too long. Also, it's great for everyday vehicles, but may struggle or take multiple tries on larger trucks or totally dead batteries. If you want reliability, portability, and more than just a basic jump pack, the NOCO GB40 delivers. Just manage expectations on price and real-world performance. So, if you want peace of mind on the road, the NOCO GB40 is definitely worth knowing about. Hit like if you found this useful, drop a comment with your own experience, and subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns.